guys, so we got this beautiful 4Runner right here. That's 2021. Here for normal services, they came from almost 2 hours from London. And we got another car right here. That's 2011 VW Jetta. We don't have much space in the shop, as you see right over there. So we can't back it up. So we have to drop it right here. So we're going to drive it all the way inside. And this came up with a multiple engine codes. So we need to scan it before we're going to do anything on top of that. If you guys do have any of the issues with your VWs or you want a regular maintenance like this, you can hit it up. On to the next part. So we got this beautiful 2012. It's a 2-liter TFSI. So this one is here with a, again, similar thing, knockoff sounds. It's coming out from it's a rod knob underneath. As you can see the condition, before you're gonna buy any of the 2-liter TFSIs, just look at this in the front with the torch. If there is an excess of oil, if you can see right here, so here everything is greased up. So oil is just taking out from the wall cover from a long time. And also this car is pretty famous with this oil filter housing. So the housing is leak on this one, that's a one part. Water pump is leaking on this car is the second part. And the third is a wall cover. So this customer, he tried to put some money to get rid of that oil leak from the wall cover, but that doesn't work because from this oil filter housing, it's losing insane oil. Even if you can see this side, the steering pump and everything is all filled up with oil on this side. So if you guys do want to buy any of the A4's 2-liter TFSIs, call us. We'll do an inspection on your car. It's just $100 plus taxes to let you know what you have to put in the car, because this customer right now is end up paying a couple of grands after he bought this car, which wasn't expected. So beware, whenever you buy any of the Audi cars, book your appointment. We're happy to help you out. On to the next car. Hi guys, so we got this another 2013 BMW X3. It's here for a bad alternator pulley. So let me show you what exactly happened to this one. So it's very common for X3, X5s. So the pulley got spun from the top and the bearing was off from this thing. And what results is the belt was just go around the crank, and luckily it doesn't go in the crank. So you see this, all this stuff, it's weighed out. And this car was idling luckily, and it just shut off with a couple of last breaths. And the customer thought it's an engine seize, but when we check it out, just to let you know, from X5 from 2007 to 2015 and X3s, they have a common problem with the alternator. If you got any of the belt stuck in your crank or alternator, you can give us a call. We're happy to help you out. So we replace the same OEM one, new alternator, and it's going to be ready, and the customer going to pick it up by end of this day. If you have any car, leave us. Thanks. 2016 BRZ Subaru. It's a 2-liter boxer engine. So the crank was spun on this one, and the block bearings and the block harness was almost spun. It wasn't reusable. This is the most common thing in any of the BRZs. When their bearing got spun, likely has to put the new shot block. So this block is ready with the new crank inside, new bearings. Let me show you the old block, old bearings, old crank. So this is ready here. Let me show you. All right, so before the next rebuild, I'll represent you guys. This is the old shot block on the BRZ. That's the spun bearing crank right here. And you can see the pistons all over here. So For the newer engine, we're going to use the same heads with the new piston rings, new pistons, new crank, new shot block. Let me show you the new pistons right here. So you can see right here, these are the 4 new pistons with the new piston rings. That's what we're going to do. New pistons, new crank, new piston rings, new piston bearings, connecting rod bearing, main bearings. Everything going to be new in the car, so the customer can enjoy for a couple of years, because they just bought the car and this bad thing happened to the car. So if you guys do have any of the Subarus and want the customized work, hit us up. We're happy to help you out. On to the next car. Do you see this ZF sign here? So this is the second transmission of this month. First one I show you on the Range Rover. That was 2016 diesel. This is the X3, sorry, with the same transmission. Just the bell housing is different on this one. Everything else, internal components are same. It's differently programmed with BMW, and the other one was with the Range Rover. So point is, if you're not gonna change your fluids on time, your transmission gonna be break the way it is. This is the second one we're fixing this month. So if you guys do have any of the ZF transmission in your cars, do not ignore it. Do your maintenance on time for the fluids. So that way you're not going to broke like this. There's going to be a couple of grams expense. To change the oil, that's a couple of bills. So inquire us, any of the fluid changes, give us a call, book your appointment, on to the next car.
But now I need help.
So you guys can save almost half of the price if you got fixed by us. This is a fuel sending unit located in this 2011 Dodge Caravan. This is the most common problem in this, especially from 2010 to 2014 Dodge Caravans. After that, they update this part. So if you guys do have any of the Caravans from 2010 to 2014, you can give us a call for a better price on the new pumps. So this is the existing pump on this thing. It got failed. So when it starts failing apart, the first thing you feel, your gauge stopped working, and the fuel is still in the tank. So that's the first sign on this thing. But this pump has gone from almost 2 days. The gauge was stopped working like almost a month ago. That's what the customer advised. Other thing, the major problem caused by the pump failure is when you're driving on a low fuel. So especially in the time of winter, do not drive it on quarter tank. Try to fill it up at least half of your tank while you're driving it. So that is the major fault for this, especially fuel sending unit. So if you guys do want any of the repair, you can give us a call. You'll probably save 50% on the part price. On to the next car. So we got the same day fix. That's done for the oil change. And we got the car fix right here. We're going to put it on the thing. Let me show you how we're going to roll it. If you guys do have any problem and you are out of the town, give us a call, book your appointment. This customer, they booked it like a week ago, and we serve it, we fix the same day. And if you guys have the same car, do not hesitate. We're happy to help you out. Thank you for subscribing our channel. Press the bell icon. Take care.